Hi everyone! Today I am actually going to do a massive spring cleaning. I've been meaning to just Marie Kondo the shit out of my closet ever since like the Marie Kondo series came out, and I'm kind of anxious about it but also excited because I really do want to Marie Kondo, like do it the Marie Kondo style, that way, where you take all the clothes and dump it out and go through each piece. And I just feel like it's gonna be a lot of work, but it'll be so worth it. And I also need to go through my beauty drawers, my makeup drawers, and just clean that out also, because I have a lot of makeup, a lot of things in there that I don't use, and I just need to just minimize, because there's just a whole pile of makeup on the ground even here that I need to sort through and figure out what to keep, what to donate, what needs to just get trashed pretty much, because I am lacking space right now and it stresses me out. So I've been meaning to do this for like months but never got around to it. And then actually, you guys, I am working with Burt's Bees for this part of the video for the beauty spring cleaning. They challenged me to clean out my beauty drawers and simplify it, minimize it, and put in new products in there that have really good ingredients. They really prompted me and pushed me to get this spring cleaning done, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna put on some makeup actually so I can show you some of their new products. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys on a tripod right now. Let me just tie my hair up really quickly. I like my hair out of the way when I do my makeup. This is gonna be like the chillest get ready with me ever. As you guys can see, I've been breaking out. February has not been my favorite month whatsoever. Anyway, so for my base, I already did my brows. I'm gonna use this foundation from Burt's Bees. This is their Goodness Glows foundation, and I'm in the shade 1030 Linen Beige. So I just like to squirt it on the back of my hand and then just dot it on my face. I actually really like this foundation because it's super comfortable but has really good coverage. And then I just like to pat it in with a foundation brush. And all of Burt's Bees products use natural ingredients, and it's all very affordable. All their products are under $16, $17. I feel refreshed already. I'm gonna cover up the acne breakouts with a concealer brush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this product like so, and then just dab it on top to kind of get rid of the redness. I don't really mind that it's bumpy, or there's a bump, there's really nothing I can do about it. This foundation just has really good coverage. Like, I don't even need another concealer or a thicker concealer because this does the job pretty well. This one is a really stubborn pimple. It's been there for a little bit now, waiting for it to go away. And I usually don't even break out here, but here it is. Ah, it feels so fresh-faced already. I love it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put on some lip color because I feel a bit bare there. I'm gonna use their liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Coral 820. Looks like this. It's really cute. I love coral shades, so I had to pick this one out. It's super easy to apply. It feels really comfortable and it's not drying at all. It's so moisturizing. I'm surprised. I really like it. Next, I'm gonna do a quick eye makeup look using this palette. This is their Shimmering Nudes palette. I love these colors. When I first started doing makeup, I just had a simple kind of like eyeshadow formula. I would use 3 colors and it worked. So I'll show you guys really quickly how to use a palette like this just for like a simple everyday look. I've been getting a lot of requests for my more simple makeup, which is kind of surprising but also really exciting to see that shift in like minimal, natural looking makeup with healthy, good ingredients. Like, I love that. My battery's dying. Oh, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with a new battery. Hopefully this one is dead too. Okay, I am back. The battery's all charged. Like, what a fail on my part. Both the batteries for my vlog camera were dead, so I had to give it 30 minutes. But you can kind of see how the foundation has kind of set, and I really love it. Like, when I was wearing this foundation the other day, it was just so light and comfortable that I forgot I even had it on, that I was like super rubbing my face and like scratching it. back to the shadows. So first I'm gonna take this pink nudie shade and just apply that all over the lids as the base. So this will just help to create a good landscape for the rest of the colors. Now I'm gonna take this middle color and apply it to the inner half of the eyes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a really beautiful shimmery kind of taupe-ish color, I guess. Can you guys see that? I started to blend it out a bit, but I'm gonna move on to the third color, which is this brown one, and apply that to the outer half of the eyes. So I'm applying it pretty loosely, and then I'm gonna blend it out, don't worry. With these shadows, they're really soft and shimmery, so they're really easy to blend out. Like I can already tell on my eyes that they're gonna be really easy to work with. So now I'm gonna take the fluffy brush again and blend out the edges. I do want to tightline a little bit, so I'm using their eyeliner, and this is just in soft black. It's formulated with jojoba oil. Jojoba, right? Not jojoba. Jojoba oil. And it's a responsibly sourced cedar wood pencil, 99.9% natural. My mirror is so far away, it's a little hard to do. Oh, I probably should have swatched. Wow! 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 This is an amazing pencil. Oh my gosh, I love it. I couldn't really tell what it looked like because I was looking in the mirror, but oh my gosh, I love this. It's really like not soft at all, which I love. Like I love that it's not soft and that it's darker. I love tight lining because it just adds so much like more definition to the eyes, if that makes sense. But it tends to smear on me no matter what product I use, so I don't tight line very often, but I really love this pencil. It was so easy to work with, and I can tell it's really blendable. Okay, the rest of the face is on. I'm gonna, ow, I just poked myself in the eye. I'm gonna put some shadow on the lower lash line because I totally forgot to do that. I'm just gonna add it all over. Just to add some smokiness to the look. Add some to the inner corner too, right here. A little bit of that darker brown color. So that was my little get ready with me with Burt's Bees products. If you're interested in any of the things that I used, I will link them all down below in the description box along with any additional information. You can buy Burt's Bees at any drugstore. I'm sure you guys know it's Burt's Bees. All of their products are made with natural ingredients. They don't test on animals. They're very sustainable. They used recycled materials for their packaging. It's Burt's Bees. I'm so thankful that they wanted to work with me on this. Burt's Bees is also working with TerraCycle to take any of your makeup products that are expired that you just need to get rid of, and they will recycle it for you so that it doesn't contribute to landfill or ocean waste. And that's actually something I'm really passionate about and want to find more ways to get involved in, is to like how to improve the ocean. Like it makes me really sad to see all the trash that's out there. So if you guys are interested in getting rid of your makeup products that way, I will leave a link down below with more information to TerraCycle as well. Honestly, if they didn't challenge me to do this, I would have just left my closet and my beauty drawers unchecked for a really, really long time. Before I tackle that monster though, I want to challenge you to think about what you can clean out from your closet, whether it's clothes, makeup, skincare. Yeah, get rid of things that aren't serving you anymore. Get rid of the clutter, clear your mind, clear your space. I'm telling you, but I'm also telling myself. I'm mostly telling myself. Yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning now. Let's get to cleaning. I'm scared. So it's actually 8 p.m. right now, and I procrastinated the entire day. I have not cleaned a single thing, but you guys can see how the makeup sat. You know, still pretty intact. I am going to start cleaning very shortly, so I'll show you guys what I need to really I just have very simple goals today. Tonight, I should say tonight. So all of this needs to be put away because it's taking up too much space. I need to get rid of products from my closet so that I can put all of this in there, or, you know, donate, whatever. So that is my one true goal today. But to get here, I have to tackle everything in the closet. All right, I'm gonna show you. You guys have seen it before, but not in this context where I feel like I really have to clean it. This is one side of the closet. I just can't believe I even have this much space for this many clothes. But yeah, I would love to get rid of a lot of these that I don't wear anymore, especially a lot of stuff in this pile. Here is the second side of my closet. Coats, rompers, long dresses here. The top shelf, sweaters, long sleeves, PJs, random Mickey Mouse ears. So I would love to clear this as much as I can. Also, coats. I don't know if I'm even going to get rid of a lot of these because I love coats, even though I never get a chance to wear them out here. And then we have my beauty drawer. It's not much. I try to keep everything, here. I try to keep all my makeup contained here. I don't really want to show you guys all of my drawers. It's just really messy. And I'm a little embarrassed, but yeah, this needs to clear because this needs to be somewhere else. This needs to be somewhere else for sure. I cannot have this here. I think I'm going to start off with the clothes first. Will I regret that though? Because what if I don't finish? Well, whatever. I'm going to do the clothes first. I'm going to take all the clothes out of my closet and pretty much just dump it on the ground. Here it goes. This is just the mound from my shelves. Now I need to do the hangers. I don't really want to do this. Okay, I've cleared all the hangers. I'm leaving those there. I just did laundry and they're hanging to dry, so I for sure know I wear those and I want to keep those all the time. As for the jackets and this, I'm just gonna leave it here for now because I just don't want to mess with it. It's just gonna be here. I will do this later. So this is the pile I've got going on here. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's actually quite a bit. It's pretty high. I wish I could roll in this like it was money. I'm just gonna imagine that it's money. All right, so I'm gonna tackle this pile of clothes as best as I can. I'm gonna put all the things I want to keep on the right to that side and all the things I don't want to keep to the left. That's for like donating or giving away to friends or whatever. And I don't know the full Marie Kondo system or style, but I'm definitely thinking about whether or not the item sparks joy, but that's pretty much all I know about it. This was actually my mom's, and I took this from her when I was in my super boho 60s phase, but I'm out of that phase now, so I'm gonna put this back in her closet. Are these pants still in? It still sparks joy for me. I for sure want to keep these pants. This I actually took from my mom's closet too, so this is going back in her closet. I got this when I was deep in my Style Nanda phase. I got a lot of paisley items that now I kind of regret. Oh, but if I ever go back to Paris, I would for sure bring this. I love this graphic turtleneck. This is my mom's. I think I'm gonna give this back to her though. I look quite tired. It's actually pretty late. Did not think I would take this long. Actually, I did. I knew I would take a while. I just got out of the shower and did my skincare. Breakouts still very present. I don't know why every time I think I'm gonna wash off my makeup, they're gonna disappear, but not the case. I'm actually pretty proud of the progress so far. It looks a little bit messy still. These are all the piles of clothes that I folded. These are the ones that need to be hung. This pile is for donating or giving away to friends. And then I have this pile that's going back to my parents' house. It's all like my mom's stuff. I don't know if this is my mom's, but I'm putting it there for now. And now I'm just gonna put everything back into the closet. So this is all I have left now. Look at all these hangers I have left over. And I don't have to like double hang anything. So this is what the shelf looks like now. It still kind of looks more or less the same, but I have an extra column right here, an extra space. So I'm gonna put like my fashion magazines up here and miscellaneous books that I keep just for inspiration, and then I'll have more room for makeup outside on my shelf. This side is also cleaned up a bit. I've gotten rid of a lot of sweaters that I just don't wear anymore. Then PJs, workout clothes. I also got rid of like 2 jackets, that was it, but I kept most of everything else. I think I still have about an hour to go before I'm like completely done. Hour and a half maybe. So not too bad. I'm really excited. I mean, my closet on here still looks the same, but it's actually feels a lot better. So these are the bags that are kind of to go. So this middle one's for my mom, that's for donation, and then these 2 bags here are things that I think my sister might like, so I want to give her a chance to look through that before I donate those. Now I'm going to move on to my makeup drawers and bags of makeup on the ground. I finally finished cleaning, and it is so freaking clean and spotless right now. Remember all the makeup that I had right here? It is now gone. You can actually see the artwork that I had behind there. They're just kind of here right now. I don't really know what to do with it. And then Spike is growing. It's so clean. This is kind of what's left. This has makeup and skincare stuff also for my sister that I think she might like. And then both of these 2 pink bags are for donation, just things that I'm not using anymore. And then I have this black bag that just has a few items in here that I want to recycle through TerraCycle, because I don't know how to recycle some of these tubes and stuff. I can't believe I finished. That was a really, like, I feel so good in this new space now. Those boxes and bags and makeup have been sitting there for months now, and I just never got around to moving it. It's actually almost 6 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little spring cleaning portion of the vlog. Thank you so much again to Burt's Bees for partnering with me on this. I'm going to head to bed soon. I bought this big bag of Ruffles that I've just been munching away on, and now my tongue is kind of swollen. Like, I can feel it, it hurts. And I burned it the other night because I was too eager to eat my food. So I can feel like if I don't go to sleep soon, I'm probably gonna wake up feeling really shitty. Okay. Oh, I'm wearing pimple patches too. These have been so gnarly. All right, good night, guys.